Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Batarmonkosi, MT released a statement to address the issue of him performing while he was asleep, and the statement reads as follows. MT Records apologizes for Pretoria show impacted by artist fatigue. We, MT Records, extend our sincerest apologies to fans who attended MT's performance in Pretoria on December 16th, Reconciliation Day. Following an exceptional busy summer seasons with back-to-back shows across the country, MT had an ambitious schedule on December 16th, performing at 5 venues, a testament to his dedication to connecting with fans. Unfortunately, the demanding pace took its toll, and fatigue impacted his ability to deliver the high-energy show our fans expected in Pretoria. We acknowledge the disappointment this caused and appreciate the understanding of our loyal supporters. MT is deeply sorry for failing short of expectations and is committed to making it right. We are working closely with the event organizers to schedule a follow-up show, ensuring our fans in Pretoria experience the unforgettable performance they deserve. At MT Records, we prioritize the well-being of our artists and the satisfaction of our fans while driving the business forward with strategic performance. We appreciate your continued support. Batsaribomkosi, Aisham Ziabuya kwa MT Records. So now they're saying that the reason why MT was sleeping while he was performing, it is because he was tired. Fatigue was taking its course in him and he could not stay awake. They also stated that they thank their loyal supporters. I don't know which supporters are those. Perhaps the supporters that are not complaining about the whole thing. Those are referred to as the loyal supporters. Aishem Guningi. That's it for today, but please do leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.